Hello students, welcome to Sri Vardhaman Vidyalaya online education. So today we will see the remaining numericals in this chapter. So example 6, a bullet of mass 20 gram is horizontally fired with a velocity of 150 meter per second from a pistol of a mass 2 gram. What is the recoiling velocity of the pistol? So solution. So the mass of a bullet M1 is given as a 20 grams. So that you have to change into a kilogram. So that is 0.02. Then mass of a pistol, that is an M2, 2 kg. And initial velocity of a bullet is given as an U1 and a pistol is an U2. And the final velocity of a bullet is given as an V1, that is given 150 meter per second, and the directions of the bullet is taken from left to right, that is a positive. So let V will be the velocity of a pistol. Now you know that is a total momentum of a pistol and a bullet before the fire when the gun is at rest. So that is, we can say that is an initial momentum. So that is, here we have to write that is an 2 plus 0.2, that is an mass of an bullet and mass of an pistol. So that you have to add it, and both an initial velocity and of a bullet and final velocity of an bullet is an 0. So that is an total momentum of an pistol and bullet will become an 0 kg meter per second. Next, the total momentum of pistol and bullet after it is fired. So when it is fired, so what will be? So that is 0.02 kilogram into, that is an V1 of an pistol bullet, that is 150, and plus 2 gram, that you have to find out the velocity of the pistol, so that we can get 3 plus 2 V. So according to the law of conservation of momentum, that is total momentum after the fire and total momentum before the fire is equal. So that is 3 plus 2V is equal to 0. So V is equal to minus 3 upon 2, that it will become minus 1.5 meter per second. So the negative signs indicates that the directions in which the pistols would recoil is an opposite to that of the bullets. So that is from right to left. So here you can see the diagram. This is an before firing and this is after firing. So after firing, what happens? The bullet will be goes in the directions of velocity 150 meter per second, and the pistols will be, after firing, it will be moving in opposite directions. Now the next example 7, a girl of an mass 40 kg jumps with a horizontal velocity of 5 meter per second on a stationary cart with a frictionless wheel. So the mass of the cart is 3 kg, and what is her velocity as the cart started moving? Assume there is no external unbalanced force working in the horizontal directions. So in this one, we can find out the solution. So let V be the velocity of the girl on the cart as the cart started moving. So the total momentum of a girl and the cart before the interactions, that will be the 40, that is a mass of a girl 40, and its velocity is a 5, so that is 40 into 5 meter per second plus 3 kg, that is of a cart, and its velocity is a 0, so that will be a 200 kg meter per second square second. Next, the total momentum after interaction, that is 40 plus 3, that is a mass of a girl plus cart into V, so that is 43V. So as a law of conservation of momentum, the total momentum is equal to the final. So 43V is equal to 200. So V is equal to 200 upon 43, that is 4.65 meter per second. So the girl on the cart would moves with a velocity of 4.65 meter per second in the directions in which the girl jumped. So that you can see the figure. Here it is a figure of a girl that it will be moves with a cart and as well as on the cart. Next, the example 8. The two hockey players of the opposite team while trying to hit a hockey ball on the ground collided and immediately become entangled. One has a mass of 60 kg and was moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second, while the other has a mass of 55 kg and was moving fast with a velocity of 6. toward the first player. In which directions and with what velocity will they move after they become entangled? Assume that the frictional force acting between the feet of two player and ground is negligible. So here that is a two hockey player is playing. So they having this. First one is a collision of a two hockey player before collisions and after collisions. Here it is before collisions and this is an after collisions. Okay. Now let be the first player will be moved from left to right, and by the conventions left to right is taken as a positive directions and right to left is taken as a negative direction. So M and U represent mass and initial velocity of two players. So subscription 1 and 2 will be the physical quantity of two players. So M1 is in a 60 and M2 is 55. U1 is in a plus 5 and U2 is in a minus 6. So the total momentum of the two player before collision is 60 into 5 plus 55 into minus 6. So that is minus 30 kg meter per second. If V is the velocity of two entangled players, means that is after collision. So that is M1 V1, M1 plus M2 into V. So 60 plus 55 into V. So that is an 115 into V. So according to the law of conservation of an momentum, both will be equal. So that is an V is equal to, we can get 155 into V is equal to minus 30. So V is equal to minus 30 upon 155. So that is minus 0.26 meter per second. So this will be the two entangled player would move with a velocity of 0.26 meter per second from left to right. That is the direction that the second player was moving before the collision. So thank you. Okay, now listen. In this chapter, so there is in exercise, so there is so many sums. So I will send in a PDF for answer for this question. Okay, thank you. So here our ninth chapter is completed.